Hello, good morning friends. Welcome back to Excel tips and tutorial. So for the last few days we have been going through a lot of basic tools that can be helpful in your career. So today I am going to introduce another option in MS Excel, and that is also a graphical option to create a graph. And this time we are going to see how we can create a bar chart or a bar graph. Okay, so it's quite simple, as we have created the line charts and pie charts earlier, so it's not a big thing, but still it's useful for you. For that I have already created a data. Here we have two fields, a month, leads. Months we have January to December, and leads we have certain numbers from over here. Let's just format it to make it look better. Okay, yeah, that's it. So we have a set of data, and now what we need to do is we need to create a graphical representation of this data, and that too using the bar chart option or the bar graph option. So the option is simple, as we have done it earlier with the other graphs. We just need to click on the insert tab or the top of the Excel file, click on that, and if you go towards the center you can see a lot of options over here, a lot of options for different types of graphs. So here we can see a bar type of chart, and if you place the mouse over there you can see insert column or bar chart. It's also known as column chart or column graph or bar chart. So you can see that. So just click on and using this tool you can create the bar chart. So before creating the bar chart we need to select the data for which we need to create the graph. So I am selecting it. I am selecting this data. Now going back to the graph, click on this. Now you can see a lot of options: 2D columns, 3D columns, 2D bar, 3D bar. A lot of options are there. So here we are using the basic option, the basic 2D column bar graph or bar chart. So it's quite simple. Click on this option. Yeah, now you can see you have a bar chart prepared in front of you. It's quite easy, and as you have done with the previous types of graphs, you can also add data labels over here. Just right click on any of the bar. Yeah, right click, click on the add data labels. So the data label will appear on the top of this bars, and it will be helpful for you to analyze the report in a better way. So that's it. So I am repeating the same once again for you. Just deleting it. Okay, first select the data you want to create the pie chart, and go to insert, and from here you can select the first option, 2D column bar chart. Click on that. Yeah, the bar chart is ready, and you can also add data labels by right clicking on any of the bars and click the add data labels. Yeah, that's it. So the bar chart is ready for you, and there are a lot of other customization options like for this chart, but we'll not be going through it in this video. I will take you through that options in my future videos. So such type of graphs are very useful for you while you are doing a corporate presentation of your monthly, quarterly or yearly reports. So that's all from my side today. So if you like this video, please like this video, click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed this channel, please make sure that you have subscribed it, and also click on the bell icon and by clicking the bell icon, you will be getting notifications on your YouTube account whenever I upload new videos through this channel. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Till I come with my next video, please stay tuned, stay safe, and bye bye.